Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to download digital files from Etsy. Okay, so for this one I will use my browser because Etsy application doesn't support downloading your files. So open your browser and go to official website of Etsy. This is Etsy.com. And here on the home page I want to tap my profile in the top right and then go to section that is called purchases and reviews, and then below line that says your purchases you want to find your order, and you will see download files button next to it, so you have to click it and your files will start downloading. And once they download, you can finally download them to your photos, to your gallery, or you can download them as files to your application that is called Files. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.